How to log into your CD Projekt account after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get through any sort of browser. I'm currently on my Chrome, and then from here simply search for CD Projekt login. So after doing that, here simply click on the first link that you will be able to see that is named sign in under the CD Projekt Red official, right? Click on that one, then we'll get into the login page of CD Projekt. After doing that, all you need to do is add in your email address, then the password of your account, and all you need to do is click on sign in, and just like this you'll be able to log into your CD Projekt account. So in case if unfortunately if you have forgotten your password, then you can also click on the option forgot your password right here. Then you can add in your email address, then click on submit. Then you will actually be getting a link on your email. Simply open that link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. Then you can come back to your sign in page, add in your new password, then click on sign in, and just like this you'll be able to sign into or log into your account. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.